Miss Frizzle, I feel another sneeze coming on.
Seatbelts, everyone!
Now what's going to happen to me?
Whoa!
What's happening, Miss Frizzle?
Exactly what's supposed to happen when something's in your nose that doesn't belong. We're being blown away.
But we can't leave. We have to help Carlos.
And so we will, Wanda.
This is not good.